Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw with pen tool in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. But we can see here many tabs, but the pen tab or tool is not available here. Now we want to add this. Go to the file menu, then select the option menu and go to the customize ribbon. Now I am select the choose commands from drop down menu and select all tabs, then go to down and select the ink option, and we can see here the pens. Now I am select this and click add, then click OK. Now we can see here the pen option. Now I am select any pen, click the pen and draw anything. Now we can see we added pen and draw anything easily. You can change the color, select this and change the color and change the pen white. We can see here many pen, you can add any pen. You can change the thickness, select the thickness drop down menu and choose any thickness. Now I am select the 3pt and change the thickness. Now we can see we draw with pen tool easily in PowerPoint. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.